Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp with a fake USA number. Be sure to subscribe our channel and let's get into the video. First of all, download an app called Second Line into your smartphone. The app and the fake phone number are totally free, so you don't need to spend money for apps like Primo and others. Now I'm going to download and install the application. Now open your app. Sign up using your email address. You don't even need to verify your email to get the fake number. The process is that much easy. Now pick an area code you wish. I'm going to type random numbers to get one. Once you hit the area code, you can select a USA number you want among the given. Note that some numbers may not work, and some are already owned by someone. So try again and again for the correct number. The current number I had not worked for me. You can change your number at one time in 15 days. Or you can create a new account. Finally, I got a working number. Now open your WhatsApp. If you don't know how to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, check out my last video. Link is in the description. Select the country as USA. Country code should be +1. Paste the fake phone number here. Then, this error message will pop up. Hit OK and click the Call Me button. Stay connected to the internet and wait for the call from WhatsApp with the verification code. I got the verification code and my WhatsApp account is active. You can see that this number is already owned by someone. They had a display picture, info and all. And I'm a member of many groups too. So listen, this is something dangerous. If you got some number like this, please delete the account. And do not use this number in your primary WhatsApp app. Watch my video on how to use two WhatsApp accounts in the same phone. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.